everyone, I'm Seth Cool Kid. Today we're going to be roasting morgz again. I'm joined here with my father.
Hi.
Yeah, well, he's a bit tired today, so he might not say much, so yeah. But he is also here. We're watching the Among Us in Real Life Challenge. Win $10,000. Have to have Among Us, because guess what? It's a new big thing. Oh wow, they're going to have a lot of fucking views. Whatever, let's do this shit.
Welcome to Among
I had to turn it off.
Real life. At random, we pick 5 crewmates and 1 imposter.
Yeah, one of them, yeah.
Crewmates must complete all the tasks to win, and the imposter needs to take out all the crewmates without getting caught. If the crewmates win,
Who
they
picks
get
who the
2
imposter
boxes.
is?
If they lose, they do a
know.
punishment. Who's gonna win? Watch to the end.
What a fucking ugly face.
And he picked himself. Everyone's gonna know that he picked himself.
You can't pick who's the imposter, really.
Guys, I need my camera. Oh my goodness.
Jensen's got
I need my camera, oh my goodness.
Yep, the video it
This
is.
is a dart task. You got to get a bullseye.
I'm going back. I'm going back. I don't like the way that he's looking at me.
Guys, as you know, I'm the imposter, and I want to talk you guys through my strategy. But I got to get to a safer place, somewhere a bit more hidden.
I'm going to do
But those
this
red
part to
spots on
start
the
with,
freaking
so I'm
cheek
gonna
mean
set
they
all the
got
cards.
hit so many times
But
by
also,
freaking
I'm
people that
wearing
thinks he's an
the-
idiot.
Jensen's got-
Yeah, and also, he said that solo. Yeah, I'm the imposter, yeah.
Passing by. I'm just passing
Everyone
by.
in the house. Mercy man!
Sneaky girl.
Okay, maybe
He
I
needs
won't
an
do that
emergency
part.
meeting
I'll
of
start
life.
from the front. I've got salt the Skittles and the M&M's out.
Oh, look
What?
at that. It's so close.
The task I'm doing is the
The
ping pong
cans
that
ball.
one
are
too.
stupid.
Oh, I'm just passing by. Okay. What are you doing? I'm just passing by, bro.
I am so glad I'm not involved with that family.
Come on, we got to do this.
Same here. His girlfriend told to want him for the money.
This one.
It's on the floor.
That's the only way he can get a girl.
So obviously the brown are M&M's.
Sure, so not for looks.
Or how smart he is. Such a retard.
Another task completed. Okay, I'm in the toilet, guys. I'm gonna walk the
Yeah,
toilet.
he's in the toilet.
Here for a little while.
He's in the toilet.
I've now got to think where
In
to
the
go
bathroom.
next. I've got obviously to be careful.
That's what I was gonna say.
So I'm actually doing quite well. It's going to take ages. What?
In the toilet, so what? He flushed
Obviously got
himself?
to go back inside. There's nothing else out
Well,
here.
he always flushed his brain.
What's next?
Oh, okay, that's what happened to
Being the
him.
imposter is I've just got to pick everybody off one by one. The cooldown time.
They
for
can
kills
probably
is a
hear
minute.
you.
So that means after I kill someone, I have to wait a minute. So there's no point killing people when there's people around them. I've just got to wait until they're all by themselves.
Yeah,
And
that's
they're
why
all
you say
spying.
Among Us.
Spin it.
You're the kill
And get your own
cooldown.
colour, so obviously I need to spin it to get a yellow.
Just two. Can't buy nothing. Oh, that's going to take forever.
What a fucking retard.
Oh. Oh, not really.
Oh. Jensen just ran past me. I'm calling a meeting.
Meeting.
Emergency meeting.
Okay, hang on a sec. It looks like someone's called a meeting, but everybody's still here, so who called the meeting?
Whoa, where did all your cameras go?
Already?
Yes.
Okay, Jensen, why don't you tell us all why you called the meeting?
And he said how the camera a minute ago.
Because you're being such a jerk.
You look right suspicious, but you were.
Ain't no use for suspicious. Just use sus. You're being sus.
I'm pretty sure I heard Darren say I've just finished doing this fake tap.
You didn't say
Fake tap. Oh, I finished doing this fake tap. I finished Darren.
Can I actually say something? I was outside and that door soundproof. How did you hear that? I've completed a task in a outside where you couldn't hear anything, so that's fake.
I heard him say.
Double bluff this. I know
Wait.
now.
Wait a minute.
I know who it is.
You know what? This is just confusing me.
Oh my
It's
God,
too
why
early.
don't you-
I'm saying this
Whatever.
I vote
I don't know what to say about her.
Too suspicious that I heard him say faking task while he went through that door.
Right, well that's a load of rubbish.
Oh yeah, I forgot to
But
put
what
the
I'm going to
warning.
do, because I'm not
His
100%
face might make you
sure,
throw
I'm going
up,
to
guys,
skip,
so
even though I do
if
think
it
it's
happened
double
already,
bluffing.
stop watching if you don't want yourself to throw up.
I'll skip too, but I'm going to keep a close eye on them.
I'm going to skip as well, guys, which means that the game continues. Nobody is ejected.
I know it's you. I'll be watching you.
Bring it on. I'm going to go back to the task I was doing.
Okay.
I'm going to carry out my task.
I'm gonna go.
So that's the boy himself. There's
No,
the boy
kind of being
himself.
suspicious,
Oh,
actually.
let me go upstairs, boy. You want me to pass? Okay.
Bunch of idiots.
Yeah, I'll pass. Yeah, I'll just pass it. Yeah, well, yeah, that's spooky, isn't it?
For this task, I have to keep that balloon off the floor. I have to head it
Can
10
you be
times.
talking a
She's
little
not
bit?
doing a task. Look at she's
Ah.
running away. Why would it allow her to
Sorry,
run
I
away?
was looking at waves and I don't want to draw it from Morgan's face.
Oh no!
What kind of task is that?
There's no to play with balloons in Among Us.
Traffic gets in.
Yeah.
And
Wait,
spin
wait,
balloons.
wait. How are you supposed to sabotage?
She just ran at me, guys.
I'm not sure yet.
They might actually have to go down to the power thing to shut off the power. Oh my god, these guys.
He's doing a task.
Hit the balloon with your head as a task.
10 times without it touching the floor.
Let's go.
This is hard.
Finally, hard.
I bet he hasn't even played Among Us.
I know it's you, Derek.
I can hear some strange noises over here. Let's go and find out what it is.
Right, okay.
Yeah, but it could be the fucking imposter, dumbass.
Yeah, really.
Oh, that is.
Seriously, this is taking longer than I thought. This time. Got it. Oh god, why is it keep stopping just there? Oh. No, then. What are you doing? Whoa.
I'd laugh if he dropped his camera on the other guy's head.
The other guy is Morg's father. Is his father.
His real father.
Yeah, biological. I'm pretty sure.
Why? What happened?
Meeting!
Oh my god, no, Darren just called a meeting.
This idiot haven't killed anyone yet.
Okay, it looks like Darren called the meeting, but once again, everybody is here. So I'm actually interested to hear what he has to say because I have something
Morgz,
to
kill
say
some
about
people.
him. What? Firstly, that is such a double bluff. I called this meeting for a very plain and simple reason. I'm doing the challenge.
He kinda
the spin
talks the
challenge,
same way.
obviously, and I look up, I know he's gone upstairs, and as I just step out, his hand is coming down.
That is clearly
Hold
sus.
on a minute, I
Yep.
think I have a right to defend myself here because I'll tell you the real story of what actually happened because what he's saying is it's just not true. You know then when you say
Yeah,
it's not
it's
true,
just the truth.
that's
It's
true.
not the truth. I'm a fucking idiot.
Just lying. That's ridiculous.
You know what?
Kick his ass out.
You know what, guys?
Take your ass out of
Who's
the
that
house.
other kid? I've never seen him
Martin,
before.
me and you were in a room together. There was
kid?
no one near us, and
That and Johnson, aka Mini Morgz.
He's right, actually.
Mini Morgz.
Yup, that's what they call him. Mini Morgz.
Don't tell me there's gonna be another one.
Because guess what? He was fat like Morgz, like when Morgz was a kid. AKA Fat Morgz.
It's either Derek or Laura, but right now, I vote you.
Well, I've listened to the evidence of Martin being in the same room as you. I still think it's a double bluff. I still think it's you. I know what I saw. Your hand was coming out through the banister to touch me, and I just escaped, so I'm voting you. Well, I haven't accused anyone of anything yet, and I'm just going to vote skip because no one's dead yet, so I don't think we need to panic.
Well, I think it's a bit suspicious that you like put your hand down to Darren, so of course I'm going to vote you.
That means 3 votes for me, 3 votes for skip. Nobody is ejected again. I'm not happy, but I'm definitely watching it now.
Here we go again.
That you're always the same way.
Oh man, this is so obvious. Go away! Why are you obsessed
Oh,
with me?
these people
Why are you
give me a
obsessed
fucking
with me?
headache.
Something wrong with this wheel.
Yes! Task complete.
Why aren't you doing any tasks then?
This is morgz when he gets up in the morning. I'm a retard, I'm a retard, yes I am a fucking retard.
Hey Dan, how it is? Dun 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 dumbass. Dun 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 dumbass.
Martin, go to sleep, big boy. Good night.
Jackson's not doing anything.
Ah,
I need to go.
stop being sus if you're innocent.
Yeah, really.
No reaching down. I need to go back and just blend in.
Here we go.
And how the fuck do you keep track of the cooldown? On kill cooldown?
Yeah, really. Weird.
I never seen him have a watch.
Someone just screamed.
There was morgz mom. Another dingbat.
The meeting.
The meeting's been called.
Meeting.
Guys, I called the meeting
Why?
because I found a body.
Oh my gosh, wait, hang on. Who is it? Who is it?
Who is it? Who's the only one
As
gone?
far as I'm concerned, you were the only one that
What?
was in.
They said who was it? Who was killed? Who was the only one gone?
Yeah, really.
This side of the house, and you three were Martin, and you guys were on that side of the house.
Absolutely agree with that. I was in the gym doing a task minding my own business. The only person that was beyond that was you and Martin. And you're making it sound like it was you that killed him and then self-reported, which the imposter can do. Tamsin
You're
said it
the
earlier.
imposter,
It's a
jerk.
simple point. It can't be Tamsin, it can't be me, it can't be Jensen. I'll start, guys. I vote Jill.
I will vote the imposter, which is Jill.
Morgan, it was Morgan! I know now it was Morgan. He was the nearest one to the body.
I'm sorry, I know I accused Morgan and I saw what I saw last round, but Jill changed her story there, and I'm voting Jill.
I vote Morgan.
That means 2 votes for me and 3 votes for Jill. Jill, you're ejected! You're ejected from the game!
Well, here's the truth.
I don't think she's in them. Yeah, she's a crewmate. Mum was not an imposter.
What kind of name is Mum? You that call someone mom or dad if you're their son, yeah. But guess what? Dumbass, they have real names.
So frozen puzzles.
It should have said Jill was ejected.
Yeah, really. Run for your life. Run
Okay,
for your
guys,
life.
I'm in a little bit of trouble right now. I found myself in a really difficult position. Most of them
Him there, he
suspect
looks
me
like he's
because
on.
I'm
He
They're
looks like
almost
he's
done with the
on
tasks,
something.
So I feel like I need to try and slow
He's on
them down.
crack.
Morgan went towards Tammy's
I
direction.
think he's hucking
Well,
pie.
I'm just doing
Hey, you stole that from
I'm doing
SML.
the task. You do what you've got to
We
do.
don't
That's
steal things
enough.
from other YouTubers on the channel. Now keep that up and I'll ban you from the channel.
Where's Tamsin?
Tammy.
I don't know.
Effing alright.
You know, just have to hope nobody checks to see what's in what.
What are they doing with the?
See now.
What are those?
Kind
Skittles
of.
or M&Ms?
Both. You have to sort them both in different bowls.
Looking for some tasks. Looking for some tasks.
Ah,
Gonna do some tasks. That's it. So I need to go.
these people give me a fucking headache.
These people are a headache, so that's why you got a headache from watching them.
1 second, guys. I'll be there.
Yeah.
Sorry, more space made me throw up. Look at how bad looking it is. What?
They say it didn't really throw up, but
No shit.
What?
Space can't physically make you throw up.
You are. You just come in and turn up.
why is she on the floor? She got knocked down. Why did I miss something here?
Away from everybody.
And so what's eliminated?
I need to get out. I need to get out of here. Oh, task done. Wonder if this task outside is done.
And also, they all have the same task.
Yeah, I know.
And after one does it, guess what? No one else can do it. Sabotage.
Sabotage. I'm gonna try trying to sabotage another task.
That's how you
Because the
sabotage.
coast is clear.
Yeah.
I think there's some
Okay.
tasks upstairs. Guys, my cooldown is almost
You
over.
sabotage
As soon as
tasks.
that cooldown
In the
ends,
real
I
game,
can kill
you
one of them,
sabotage
and I win the game.
like
What's happening here?
eight down,
Well, yeah,
O2.
oxygen and
You
all
and
that
Jensen were
stuff.
doing it, and it was supposed to have
Closed
gone done.
doors.
I don't know, I haven't seen Jensen, I've just been doing this. It doesn't look like it's done to me. Yeah, I'm not buying this for 1 minute. If I was the imposter,
And they can use the
I'd tell you right
vents.
now. See, if you're so sure I'm the imposter,
Yeah.
what's stopping me?
Never seen nobody there use vents yet.
There it is. Nope. What's going on here then? See you later. What? Oh my word, I am totally
Oh my
confused
word.
now. Guys, I just
Oh
let
my
Dad
word.
live instead
Yeah,
of
oh my word.
He's
That's
not
it,
going to think it's
God.
me now. So
Fucking-
that means if anybody
Wait,
finds
so-
Tamsin, hopefully they're not going to
That's
think it's
as
me.
bad as the other guy that keeps saying, oh my days are remaining.
We'll go and do the cups again. The only chance we've got, the only chance we've got is completing the
We
task.
ain't gonna say who.
If one
Nope.
of us dies, he wins.
Well, I tell you what, we'll split the difference. You go and look for the body and I'll do the tasks.
But let's just say this. He played a lot of GTA
So
5.
maybe it's telling the truth.
And he mods it.
Mhm.
And says, oh my days a lot.
Every second word that comes out of his mouth. Body reported, so she's dead. No.
Meeting!
Guys. Guess what I found? I was going upstairs to do some tasks, and I found Tammy's dead body.
Whoa!
Oh. That's how they're reacting.
I saw her dead body in the
Well,
lower
it didn't
room
look
with a
at
jigsaw
Morg's
puzzle.
face.
Yeah!
He always looks like somebody who's seen a ghost. Him and his
Have you got
mother.
any suspicions? Who's been up there?
He probably still
I
believes in
did have
them.
suspicion of you, but I didn't actually see you go up there. I saw you downstairs and here, and you didn't kill me because you would have won, so it has to be you.
I haven't even
thought I
been upstairs once in the whole game.
I thought I saw you reach.
Bullshit, he happened.
Well, you know what, Jensen? Here's the thing. Morgan came up to me twice, could easily kill me, right? You've been upstairs loads. You wouldn't do that Rubik's Cube when you said you were going to, which means you kind of were trying to sabotage that. So I'm now thinking it's you.
Well, I think it's you. I vote you.
Well, I vote you. Come on,
Come
Morgan.
on, it's
It's
him.
him.
Go on, take this imposter
It's
down.
him.
Come on.
This is weird.
Pressure. It doesn't actually matter who I vote for now because of one simple fact. You've both got one vote each. I have the power to vote one of you two off.
Well, then go off the imposter. What are you waiting for?
It's obvious. Voting is in the red. I vote Jensen. Yes! Yes! Finally! You get your comeuppance.
Wait.
Oh no! What? It turns out you are fighting amongst yourselves. Both of us crewmates. The truth is, I am the imposter.
Imposter. He misspelled imposter. You see that?
Yeah. He fucking misspelled imposter.
Well, guys, you know
Jesus.
what the agreement was before the video. It is time for your punishment. Come on, then. What is it? You guys have to carry on doing your tasks for the next 24 hours.
Must be a new way to spell imposter. Take the P out.
Go on,
Yeah,
then.
dumbass.
Dum da dum dum.
Dumbass. Oh wait, we all know how the Sega intro goes. Sega, well, how it
At
is.
least I'm gonna be
When he
really
starts a
bad
video,
at this.
it says
Oh,
dumbass.
this is
Or
so boring.
dipshit.
Like and subscribe.
Alright.
Go to hell.
Okay.
Then need our video starting.
Alright, so
So
I
yeah, that's gonna be the next video. So yeah, of course that's gonna be it for this video. Let me turn on the light. 1 second, guys.
Alright.
Well, that's gonna be it for this video. Am I in the frame?
Go back a little bit. No, back. There, crouch.
Well, that's gonna be it for this video. And I'll see you next time. Peace!
Out.